Hi everyone, I'm Shasta, and today I'm here in my backyard and I'm going to be introducing you to moss. Sphagnum L is a genus of peat moss with more than 380 identified species. To identify a specific species of moss, one would have to look at it through a microscope or magnifying glass because they are so small and have very specific, distinct features. It is an autotroph, which means moss makes its own food through the process of photosynthesis. Instead of leaves, moss have microphylla, which are leaf-like structures that contain chlorophyll. And with the aid of the chlorophyll, solar energy is combined with carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose to be used by the moss's food. Sphagnum have a distinct cellular structure. They have no vascular system to move water around inside the plant, so their tissues are only one cell thick. Their photosynthesizing cells are mainly in the microphylla, and they also have unique cells called alline cells. They are barrel-shaped and large and soak up water like a sponge. Moss are primitive plants, and although the rhizoids are root-like, they are only used to anchor the moss to its substrate, whether that be a rock, the ground, or a tree. And although some moss will grow on trees, they are never parasitic to the tree. They have a mutualistic relationship, and both plants can thrive from this symbiosis. Moss have adapted and can grow in some environments that are inhospitable to other plants. They can survive in wet, shady areas and require just enough sunlight for photosynthesis, but some are also drought tolerant because they can hold up to 26 times their dry weight in water. They reproduce by the creation of spores called sporophytes. Moths mainly rely on the wind to disperse these spores to their next growing location.